Area is the measurement of space on the inside of a closed, flat shape. One way to find area is to count the number of squares that can fit on the inside of a shape. But this could take a while with larger shapes, so in this lesson, I'm going to show you a shortcut. To quickly find the area of a rectangle, all you need to know is the length of its longest side and the width of its shorter side. The formula to find area with these two measurements looks like this. Area is equal to length times width. In this example, we simply take 4 times 3 and get 12. When you write your answer, be sure to include that you measured using squares. The area of this rectangle is 12 square units.